Two quick ways to find inconsistent formula in Excel that are built in. So we've got a spreadsheet here. These operating expenses, including marketing, seem to jump all over the place. What you can do is you can highlight that row. Under Home, Find and Select, go to Special. You'll see there's an option here called Row Differences. So because we've given it a row, we ask for row differences. If we highlighted a column downwards, we would ask for column differences. When we click OK, you'll see the last two are highlighted. So what it's saying is, you gave me that row. Looking at that formula, the last two differ from that formula. Now, another way that is easy to find inconsistent formulas is if you go to the formulas, trace precedent, and you'll actually be able to see the formula is doing something with those three. And as we go across, it becomes very obvious where the problem is. So either using formula in the auditing toolbar like this, or else Home, Find and Select, go to Special, Row or Column Differences, you can look for where there are changes in the formulas in your spreadsheet.